Hello friends, welcome to the Technical Study Place YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about what is pixel and how it performs, how it works. So this we gonna study in this video. So let's begin without any wasting the time. So yeah, obviously you have heard the name of pixel. So we'll tell the your friends and your family friends so that my camera is of this much megapixel, my DSLR is of this much megapixel. So you have heard this name, okay? So let's come to this point in digital imaging. So what is this digital imaging? So if I ask you a question that how you will capture a image, then you will tell a answer that from mobile we will capture the image, or from the tablet you will capture the image, or from the DSLR you will capture the image. And one more thing is there, from that also you can capture the image from the scanner. You will keep the image on the scanner that will scan, and from the light color will go on the screen, and that will be captured the image, and that will be either it will be the copy of that image, or it will be shown on the display on the screen which is connected to that scanner, either of the computer or laptop. Okay, so these are the some things from the devices from we can capture the image. So the so what is digital imaging? So you are capturing a image, okay, from mobile. If I ask you, if from mobile you are capturing the image, okay, from real world to mobile, okay. Real world means what? Your surrounding things, whatever thing is there now, that is real world. If you are sitting in the house, that you are seeing around, whatever you can see, that is real world. If you are in front of the beach, that is real world. If you are seeing the scenery, mountains and all, that is also real world. If you are capturing the image, that view in your mobile phone, and that from the real world it is converting it to the coming into the in your mobile, and this is called as digital imaging. Okay, from real world that is captured in your mobile in the form of image. Okay, and this is the digital imaging. Okay, that image is in what form? It is in the form of pixels. So that is the current topic now. Okay, so what is pixel? That we are going to study now. A pixel means, what is this pixel? Picture element. The pix means pix means picture, and el for element. So picture element in short form is pixel. Okay, a pixel is the smallest item of information. So what is the pixel? It is the smallest item, okay, of information which contains information. Which type of information? Numerical data value. Which type of information the pixel contains? Numerical data value. Okay, and it is in the form of image, and it is arranged in two-dimensional grid form. Okay, two-dimensional means rows and columns. Okay, I will show you now. And are often represented as dots, squares and rectangles. So the pixels are in the form of dots, squares and rectangles, and it is the smallest item, and it contains the information of numerical data value. Okay, and the pixel is of two-dimensional, that is rows and columns. Okay, let's see here. If you capture the image, so suppose think the image is in the form of squares. I just now have told that image is of two-dimensional, which is a two-dimensional grid, means rows and columns. Okay, this is all our rows. So see here, line, these are called the rows. If I put after this like line this, then if the image will be like this. Okay, line. Okay, so after for this is the form of grid. Okay, if for this in the grid, one box I will tell it as pixel. Okay, like these are all the in this, how many boxes are there? There are many pixels of the image it has. In this image has this many pixels. Okay, I hope you are getting. First, for if you have one image is there, after that we will put the rows, after that we will put the columns, and this became the grid form of two-dimensional, and this one box we call it as pixel. Okay, Now in this pixel one image is there called as small like this, it is image is there. Suppose if I want to put a color in this first box, in this first pixel, then what should I put here? Information put. What type of information I should put here? Numerical data value. Okay, numerical data value I should put here. Based on that value the color will be generated, okay. If I want to put here black color, that black color value I should put here, the black value will be generated. So if this line I want to put it as blue, so the blue value I will insert here. So that blue, after inserting the blue value, the blue color will be generated. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So, and this a pixel, as I was told that a pixel is the smallest item. Okay, smallest item in the form of dots, squares and rectangles. I will show you this many image. A pixel in the image, if you zoomed in that, so it will be in the form of circles, means dots, rectangles and squares. Okay, and that is images of two-dimensional. Just now I told that rows and columns. So you can see here different types of the rows and columns will be there. And if you want to put here pink color, the pink information value we should put means what type of information, numerical data value you should put. That after putting that value on the pink color will be generated. If you want black color, the numerical data value we should put, that from that value the color will be generated according to that. Okay, so we have understood this point. A pixel is the smallest item which of information, which type of information, numerical data value is an image arranged of two-dimensional grid form, which it is in the form of grid value of two-dimensional. So and are often represented dots, squares and rectangles, which the pixel, it is in the form of dots, squares and rectangles. Okay, let's see the another point. Pixel is the smallest unit of display on the video format. Yes, just now I told that pixel is the smallest item and that will be displayed on the new video format or on the screen. Okay, intensity of each pixel is a variable, means here I have put it one color as dark green. Here another color I have put it, that is light green. Okay, if you want the dark green, then what you will do? You will decrease the intensity. Decrease the intensity means if I ask you the question, what is the difference between this color and this color, you will tell the answer, this color is have very much darkness and this color have very much lightness, but both are the green color. Okay, so so you have told the correct answer, but in the technical form what we will say, so it has the high intensity, it has the high intensity and it has the low intensity. The dark has low intensity, the light has high intensity. Okay, so for the darkness, the pixel of the intensity, the pixel we will rise, the number of pixel, pixel means which contains the information. What type of information? Numerical data value. That value we will increase, that intensity we will increase, then we get the in the light form, light color, means that whatever color is there, that will be in the increased in the form of light. Okay, if you want in the dark, that intensity, that pixel value will be decreased, so it will become dark. I hope you understood this. So we will understand now it clearly by seeing the diagram. So if you want in the dark form, the pixel of the numerical data value we will decrease. If you want in the light form, the pixel of the numerical data value we will increase it. Okay, that only I have written. Intensity of each pixel is variable. So let's see it here. So what kind of just now I told what kind of information the pixel stores. numerical data value. Okay, and the pixel is of generated of three components. Okay, that is red, R for red, and G for green, and B for blue. So the pixel is generated of three components, that is red, green, and blue. In the short form we call it as RGB. Okay, and just now I told that information contains some in the so information means numeric data. Okay, and if the numeric data is red, green, and blue, it also contains the value. Okay, so for that we will call it as numeric data value. The red contains of value of 8 bytes, the green contains of value of 8 bytes, and the blue also contains of 8 bytes. So that equals becomes 24 bytes. Okay, so I will so 8 bits means how much? 1 byte. So again 8 bit means 1 byte, 8 bits means 1 byte. So 3 bytes equal to 1 pixel. Okay, so I will explain this one more time. What is pixel? Pixel is the smallest item. Okay, smallest item of information. Okay, information of what? Numerical data. What is numerical data? Numerical data of red, green, and blue. These only three components which is generated by the pixel. Okay, in the form of these three components only we will provide the different types of colors. Okay, whatever the colors are there, that will be provided by these three colors only. That is three components that is generated by the pixel, and this is the information, and this is the numeric data. And if the numeric data is there, and obviously it has the value also of this numeric data, and it is called as numeric data value. And this three component name is red, green, and blue. Okay, this red contains the value is 8 bits, green has 8 bits, blue has 8 bits. Okay, 8 bits means how much? So if we add these three 8 bits, 8 plus 8 plus 8, it equal to 24 bits. Okay, 8 bits means how much? 1 byte. Again 8 bits means 1 byte. Again 8 bits means 1 byte. So if we add these three things means 3 bytes. Okay, it will become 3 bytes. So what we have? So 3 bytes equal to 1 pixel in the form. So the image is in the form of two dimensional. Okay, rows and columns, two dimensional grid form. It is rows and columns. So it is rows and columns, it is in the form of, and this one box we call it as pixel, and this one pixel is of 3 bits, 3 bytes. Okay, so I hope you have got this. So let's understand some more thing about in the pixel. So let's take it to the binary system. So in the binary system, the base is of, obviously the base is always of 2. The base is of 2. Okay, the power we have taken here as 8. Why? The power we have taken here is of 8 because of the pixel, one component we are seeing now. So one component value is of 8 bits. So for this reason we have taken here 8, 2 raised to 8. If we see the answer, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 raised to 8. 2 times multiply by 8. Okay, so the answer will be 256. So 256 shades will become. Shades we can are there in this red component. Okay, means what type of shades in the red component will be there? Suppose red is one shade, light red is one shade, dark red is one shade, more light red is one shade, more light red is another shade. So like this, different types of red in that red shades are there. Okay, means different types of colors are being generated in this red. Okay, in one component I am talking about. So if one component red has 256 shades, then obviously green and blue also has the 8 bits, means 2 raised to 8 power will become. So after that obviously it also has the 256 and 256 same shades. So that only I have written 2 raised to 8 56 shades of red, green, and blue. If the shades means if the shades of red will be is of 256, then obviously the green and blue will be shades of 256. Okay, now for 256, now we will not call it as 256. Now we will put the value in our system as 0 to 255. Okay, from 0 to 255. For 1 we will call it as 0, for 2 we will call it as 1. So like this, for 256 we will not put it as 256, we will put it as 255. Okay, minus 1 we can say it as. So whether if someone has asked how much colors is there for of red or shades of red, so means you can say it as 0 to 55, not or 256, but while putting in the system you should put it as 0 to 255 only. But total, while saying it, there are total 256 because we are counting 0 also. Okay, so total 256 shades are there for each component, for red, green and blue. Total two for each of for red 256, for green 256, for blue also 256 shades are there. So if we multiply three of them shades, then what we will get? 16.7 million shades will become. Okay, so just now I told that for red it has 256 shades, green and blue also it has 256 shades. If we multiply these three, then we get as 16.7 million shades. Means that many different colors are there, that in that that are in the each pixel we can put. In each pixel we can put from the 16.7 million colors. Means that many different colors are there that we can put. At a time we can't put, but if one in one pixel we can put green image, and in another pixel we can put blue. So like that, how we want, like that we can put. Means these many different colors are there, means this many different shades are there from these three components. Okay, so for example I have been taken here, composite of three RGB value creates another color for 1 that pixel area, image inside equal to 1000 into 750 equal to 7,50,000 pixel. If the image size is of 1000 into 750, means this, if the image is there, okay, this length is of 1000 pixels, this 1 pixel, this 2 pixel, like this 3 pixel, like this total 1000 pixels are there, and the width is of 750 pixels, this 1 pixel, this 2 pixel, this 3 pixel, like this 750 pixels are there, like this height is of 7000 pixels, like this width is of 750 pixels. So if we multiply them, so we will get the 7,50,000 pixels. Okay, just now we have seen that 1 pixel value is of 3 bytes. Okay, so if we multiply 7,50,000 into 3, then we get the 22,50,000 bytes. Okay, the total value of the image is of 22,50,000 bytes. If we convert these bytes into MB, then what will happen? 2.225 MB. Okay, the image is of 2.225 MB. You will tell your friends that my image is of 2.25 MB, something like this. So the image is of 2.25 MB. So like this, from the pixels we generate, the image size is generated. So we will see an example from how the different colors has been generated. So just now I have told you here, if you have put the pink color, if you put the pink numerical data value, the pink color will be generated. Just now I have told that if you want black color, even the black color numerical data value, it has been, you have to put, then that color will be generated. So how it will be, now we will see that in the through this example. So just now I told that whatever the color will be there, that will be we will put in the through RGB components only. So through this only we generate different types of colors. So how? Just now how I have told that numerical data value should be put it in the form of 0 to 255. Total 255 shades are there for each component, for red and green and blue. So for we have to put the numerical data value is of 0 to 255 only. So through these three colors only, red, green and blue, to three colors only, we generate different colors by putting the value from 0 to 255. Like how we will see through this example. Through generate RGB color of through generate yellow color by RGB color. So how we will generate, we will see. So for red we will put it as 255, for green we will put it as 255 numerical data value. So for blue we will put it as 0, then we get the color of yellow. Okay, so for to generate the black color, here black color is there na. So this image is there, this image has different, it is in the form of grid, means rows and columns are there. So this rows and columns, it has the different types of colors are there. So that color is of real world image. Okay, it has been captured by the mobile, and that is images of real world, and it has different colors. Okay, so these colors, how it is generated? Through RGB data. So if you want to generate the black color, we will decrease the size, we will decrease the size, we will decrease the intensity. Just now we have studied here, intensity of each pixel is variable. If you want to generate the if you want more darkness of the color, then we will decrease the intensity of the pixel, means we will decrease the size of the pixel. So what had happened here, we have put it here 0 0 0, means pixel value of red we have put it here 0, green we have put it here 0, blue we have put it here 0, means the value have totally decreased, means the total darkness will come. What is the darkness color? Black. Okay, if you want white color, then what I told just now, if you increase the size, increase the intensity, then what will happen? It is will come in the form of light. Okay, means white. Light is in the of which color? Obviously white. So for to increase it, so you have to give the high level, high pixel value. What is the highest pixel value? That is of 255, not 256. 255, 255, 255, red, green and blue. So after putting this, we get the color of white. So for light gray, we have put it here as of 220, 220, 220, we will get the light gray. For darkness, we will decrease the intensity of the pixel 40, 40, 40. Compared to light gray, we have decreased the dark gray pixel. So 220 is greater than 40 na. So here we have decreased here size, the pixels intensity we have decreased. So we will get the dark gray color. So if we have given some more different value here, something else, so something else, so we will get the another color. So like this, what range you have to give here? From 0 to 255 range you have to give. So according to that, that color will be generated in this pixel. So like this, the whole pixel will be filled full, and that image will be in the form of digital imaging. So sorry, digital, that will be that image will be in the form of digital imaging. From real world, it has been captured through from your mobile, and it has been shown in your mobile. How? Through pixel, in the form of digital imaging. So I hope you have understood this, what is pixel and how it has been, and what is the size of the pixel. So a pixel is the smallest item of information. What type of information? Numerical data value. Okay, and each pixel generates of three components, that is red, blue and green. And a red component has 8 bits, similar to these two components. So total it has the 3 bytes of 1 pixel. So after that, we have from the base system, from the binary things, we have raised the we have put it the 2. After that, we have put it the power as 8, because the red has 8 bits, one component has 8 bits, so the power is of 8, we get the 256, means 256 different shades are there. So we from 0 to 255 color shades, means value is there, that is of numerical data value. So this value we will put in the each pixel, so we will get the different types of colors. So for 256, 256, 256, which is of red, green and blue, different shades are there, the total we get the 16.7 million shades. So through this 0 to 255 numerical data value only, from red, green and blue colors only, 3 components only, we will generate the different colors of the pixel. So different colors are there na, red, green and blue, something all are there, that will be generated. Different colors are there, yellow, pink, these all colors have been generated, these three components only, red, green and blue, by different values, different numerical data values, like 220, 40, something like this. If you do give different types of values, they will, it will get a different color. Okay, so there are total 16.7 million shades are there, means different types of colors are there. And the image is of two-dimensional grid, means in the rows and columns. So you see, you can see here, and are represented, and the pixel is of dots, squares and rectangles. You can see here, this is the pixel. When you zoom it the pixel, it will seem like this. Okay, so I hope you have understood how what is pixel and what is the size of pixel, and you got the deep knowledge about the pixel in this video. Only this much. If you have any kind of doubts, the comment section is open for you all only. Or if you want the notes, in the description website link is there, you can copy the notes or you can write it down from the our website. And if you want PDF, the PDF link is also given in the description. You can join our Telegram link. Hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.